a world where inflation is testing households. Tech giants are fueling rallies. Pharma firms are chasing opportunity abroad. And the digital asset revolution is moving mainstream. And later, we'll take you inside a landmark $42 billion UK-US technology pact that could transform the future of AI, quantum computing, and energy security. Welcome to Finance Pulse, and here are the top headlines of the day. In the UK, inflation refused to budge in August, holding steady at 3.8%. That's the highest level in nearly 19 months, according to the Office for National Statistics. For households already squeezed by the rising cost of living, this means little relief is in sight. With the Bank of England set to meet this week, all eyes are on whether policymakers will keep interest rates unchanged to balance economic stability with inflationary pressure. Meanwhile, in Asia, Chinese technology shares are riding a powerful wave. The Hang Seng Tech Index in Hong Kong surged nearly 4% on Wednesday, reaching its highest point since late 2021. The rally is being driven by investor enthusiasm around artificial intelligence. Baidu led the gains with a 19% jump, but heavyweights like Alibaba, JD.com and Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation weren't far behind. The surge signals that China's tech sector, long under regulatory pressure, may finally be turning a corner with AI at the helm. Back to Europe, pharmaceutical giant GSK has unveiled a massive $30 billion commitment to US research, development and manufacturing. The pledge, announced as President Donald Trump makes a state visit to the UK, includes investments in advanced digital technologies and next-generation biopharma factories. For GSK, it's both a strategic expansion into the world's largest drug market and a clear sign that competition in life sciences is escalating rapidly across borders. And in the world of digital finance, a significant collaboration is taking shape. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, is teaming up with Franklin Templeton, the $1.6 trillion asset manager, to develop digital asset solutions for global investors. Their aim? To merge Franklin Templeton's expertise in tokenized securities with Binance's trading infrastructure, creating new pathways for efficiency, transparency, and accessibility in capital markets. It's another signal that traditional finance and crypto are no longer operating in separate worlds. They are converging. That brings us to tonight's deep dive, where economics, technology, and geopolitics intersect. Britain and the United States have just signed a sweeping $42 billion technology pact during President Trump's state visit to London. Dubbed the Tech Prosperity Deal, it covers advances in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and civil nuclear energy. Microsoft alone is committing £22 billion to expand cloud and AI infrastructure, including building Britain's largest AI supercomputer in Loughton. Nvidia, meanwhile, is rolling out 120,000 GPUs across the country, the largest deployment in Europe, anchoring the UK as a hub for AI innovation. Google, Amazon Web Services, Salesforce and others are also on board, pledging billions in data centers, research and next-generation energy-efficient facilities. Prime Minister Keir Starmer, under mounting pressure to reverse years of weak economic growth, is banking on this deal to rebrand Britain as a global magnet for investment. By aligning with the US's lighter regulatory touch, he hopes to create an environment that attracts cutting-edge industries while distancing the UK from the stricter, more interventionist European Union approach. For Washington, the pact cements America's role as Britain's closest economic and technological partner. Nvidia executives put it bluntly, this deal could make the UK not just a user of AI, but a maker of it. Beyond economics, The partnership carries strategic weight. It ensures deeper cooperation on energy security, scientific research, and technological dominance in an era where innovation is also a matter of national defense. In short, the tech prosperity deal isn't just about investments. It's about shaping the technological and economic landscape for decades to come and setting the tone for how allies compete with rivals like China and the EU in the race for digital leadership. That's all in Finance Pulse for today. Follow the Finance 360 for more updates.